everyone, this is your girlfriend Gigi back with another video. This video is going to be a follow-up video from one of the very first videos I made at the beginning of my bariatric surgery, sharing the vitamins and supplements that I take throughout this journey. Now, 6 years post-op. These supplements are supplements that I'm taking now 6 years post-op, and it's been helping me maintain my weight and keeping me healthy. Now, I will say that I wish I would have known about them at maybe a year to a year and a half after surgery, because these are thankfully supplements that even after 6 years I can take. Even if you're a year and a half post-op, you should be able to take. They're powdered based, so they are dissolvable in any type of liquids, you know, whether you're making it in your coffee, your green tea, water, even milk. So I'm gonna go ahead and share them with you. Hope this is helpful. If you have any questions at the end of the video, feel free to drop them down in the comment section below. First thing in the morning, I'm gonna share with you what I have for breakfast. Okay, quick, easy breakfast, healthy, and you're putting in a lot of nutrients in your body. Now this is EPN. Also, the extended name is EPN, is Enhanced Performance Nutrition Supplements. This is what I'm consuming, whether I'm working out or not. And this is my day-to-day, okay? So first, I start my day with my protein shake. So this is my protein shake. This flavor is vanilla milkshake. There's also the chocolate one as well. And it has 24 grams of protein, which is great, 0 sugar, and 12 grams of carbohydrate, which is good also if you are consuming this after workout, which I recommend working out. It has 30 servings, and 2 scoops of this is enough. But now what I do every morning is that I consume this protein, okay, 2 scoops, and then I add my collagen, because you know, and if you don't know, then now you know, collagen is very important as you age and as well post-bariatric surgery, okay? Because as you are losing weight, the elasticity of your skin is a little bit compromised with the rapid weight loss, so you want to make sure that you are consuming collagen. This collagen, I love it. It has 10 grams of, what is it, protein? Oh, 9 grams of protein. Okay, it has protein. Collagen with protein, I was like, oh, sign me up. So it has protein, is grass-fed, pastured raised. Sorry for my accent, Hispanic here. So pastured raised. It's good for your hair, healthier hair, nails, and your skin. Okay, so, and joint and heart support, which as a woman, I need that because I'm in my 30s now, and I'm definitely feeling the years, but this is helping. I'm sure I would feel a lot worse if I was not taking all my supplements. So joint and heart support. I will say you definitely do feel a difference, like when you consume supplements, because when you don't, you definitely feel that as well, as you are getting older and older. So yeah, I have 2 scoops of my protein shake. I have 2 scoops of my collagen, and I go ahead and add some coffee to that. You put it in a blending machine, or you can use a blending bottle and just pour it right there and go ahead and mix that up. And that is a good coffee. You get the energy, you get the boost for the morning, you got your collagen, you're all set. This is how I have breakfast in the morning, even 6 years post-operation, okay? And this will help you with weight, okay? Because we're talking about only 170 calories, okay? And then this only has 35. So that, and then you just partner with some coffee. Now, if you want to have a little something like granola or something like that, of course, go for it. But if you just want to add 2 scoops of this and 2 scoops of this to your coffee, that will be just fine, because this is a meal replacement shake, and you will definitely feel it. You will feel great, and you won't be you won't be feeling guilty about having way too many calories early on in the day, because as a bariatric patient, even 6 years post-op, I will tell you, you will feel very heavy if you eat very heavy early in the day. You won't have room for anything else later in the day, unless, of course, you burn those calories off. So if you do, great. But regardless, I definitely recommend these two in the morning or later in the day. They're really good. Then I'm going to be sharing with you what I have. I guess like once I get home, I do this. Like after a long day, I'm having my dinner. May have, I don't know, fish, grilled fish or something, potatoes, mashed potatoes. So I will go ahead and instead of having juice, I have my greens. So these are my greens. Greens are very, very, very important as well. This one that I take, it has immune support. It has antioxidant, which are great. And I'm sorry, I'm in my 30s, so as you get older, you definitely need this as well. And digestive enzymes. We need to make sure we are going to the bathroom. When you have a lot of protein coming into your body, you could experience constipation. I'm sure many of you watching this video that have had the surgery or know of someone that has had the surgery are aware of this. Or even just if you're in the nutrition industry working out, you understand that the more protein you consume, you have a high chance of having constipation. So water helps, but also greens will help as well. Greens that are targeting that, right? Your digestive system. So this is vegan, gluten-free, keto-friendly, dairy-free. So 35 servings and just one scoop. Just one scoop a day. It has vitamin C, 1 gram of protein. So if you need that extra gram for the day, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, and only 15 calories. So this, I have it alone. I replace my juice for my greens. And let me tell you something. Greens are known to be like, disgusting. These greens are actually pretty good. Only 1 gram of sugar. These greens are good. Like, they do not taste, they're not bitter, but they're not like, oh my gosh, it's so sweet. It's just perfect. So if you are addicted to the juice, addicted to any type of soda or anything like that, and you want to get rid of it, you want to change and switch to take something that is good for you, have these greens. So I know that there's many people that watch and come across my videos. You could be at a part where you are pre-bariatric, maybe considering maybe getting ready for it, post-bariatric, after your surgery, maybe just want to learn how to maintain your weight and stay healthy, or you could not have been considering the surgery, maybe not even getting the surgery, but you just want to know different options that you may have to maintain your weight and stay healthy. I want to share with you in the second part the pre and post workout that I personally consume from the same EPN supplement company that I have been faithfully consuming, and I've seen results. And I want to share them with you. I'm going to first share with you my pre-workout. My pre-workout that I consume from EPN is Hydro Pump. Now, there are 2 different ones. This one I prefer because it does not have the extra caffeine added. And I personally do not want that because I do consume coffee in the morning. As I just touched base with you, I just showed you that I have my protein shake and my collagen with some coffee. So I don't want to overdo the caffeine on a day-to-day. So I consume the Hydro Pump. This flavor is Pineapple Breeze. There is another flavor. I think there's maybe 2 more. Can't remember. But there are different flavors, and it's really good before your workout. I definitely feel it. I'm telling you, you do not need the caffeine if you're taking, especially if you're a bariatric patient, you do not need it. This is perfect. Hydro Pump. So this is what I consume pre-workout. I love it. I take it about 15 to 20 minutes before my workout, and I have a great workout. It lasts at least half hour to 35-40 minutes. I feel the pump for sure. So I love this. Wanted to share that with you guys. And then post-workout, good post-workout right here is my Hydro Carb. Okay, this is after my workout. I will say I definitely feel the difference when I take this as opposed to going a day without taking anything at all. And this is really good. The flavor is so good. It makes me so upset that it's just a post-workout because I can literally take this as a juice all day. And this is Summer Punch. There's only one flavor, but I love it, okay? And EPN, if you want to come up with more flavors, make them as good as this one. They're really good. So this has 24 grams of carbohydrate, so you're all good after your workout. And it has electrolytes, 200 milligrams, and it's fast digesting. Okay, very important. As a bariatric patient, I really appreciated that because we need things that are gonna go through smoothly. We don't need interruptions. When you eat too much, you already feel an interruption, so you don't need something else added to that. So I definitely love this. 50 servings, it lasts a while, a really good while. It's really good. I have to smell it, I'm sorry. Oh my God, it's so good. It literally smells, I'm going through half of it now because I take it post-workout and it's really good. So it really tastes as good as it smells, and I love that. You are left with energy after you take post-workout, hydrocarb post-workout, recovery energy, all that. I really appreciate how everything that it says it will deliver, it does. It has potassium as well, calcium, magnesium, and only 100 calories. So this is my pre and post-workout, and I have it as part as my day-to-day. So that is it for my updated supplements. Now you're probably wondering, Gigi, how about your multivitamin, your vitamin D, maybe your vitamin E? Like, what's going on with that? Well, stay tuned because on my next video or upcoming videos, I'm going to keep you guys busy over here with more content. I'm going to be sharing with you my additional vitamins. Because this is not just all I take. I take more, but I wanted to I have these right now that I wanted to share, and I wanted to go ahead and have them out for you guys to know what's up. Like, what's been my routine after 6 years successfully losing over 130 pounds post-op. I was over 300 pounds for sure. And now after like 6 years, I'm like, I really was that heavy. But thank goodness for this journey. Thank goodness for not just the surgery, but what I've done after the surgery. And I want to help you guys as much as I can to help you succeed as well. So stay tuned, subscribe. If you are interested in any of the supplements that I have shared with you today, please check the description down below. I'm going to go ahead and drop the links to where you can obtain one of these for yourself as well. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section down below. And also check out a coupon discount code CURLFRIEND for 10% off of any of these items. Even if you decide to purchase them all as many times as you like, when you run out of them, you can use CURLFRIEND for 10% off your order. Take care and see you on the next one.